I'm Onyancha Crispinus, a software engineer from clinicPesa, Uganda. I'm here to present to you clinicPesa. clinicPesa is a healthcare micro-savings platform that leverages existing mobile money and banking infrastructure to extend strictly healthcare savings and credit to the low-income earners, the insurance underserved, as well as the small and medium-sized enterprises. We are tackling a problem of inadequate funds for ANC, that is antenatal care, health care for families. Most families, estimated of 99% in Uganda and over 80% in Kenya, do not have access to health insurance. And this leads to a high out-of-pocket expenditure. So our solution tackles to reduce the high out-of-pocket expenditure by introducing a discipline whereby these people can be able to set aside funds so that they can take care of their medical bills at their different health facilities. Okay. Now, there's also a bias within the people on losing funds to insurance firms. We also tackle that by giving the community the power to actually accumulate their funds to the next financial year. Our solution leverages existing mobile money infrastructure and banking infrastructure to extend strictly healthcare savings and credit line to the low-income earners who are actually border riders, tomato sellers, shop vendors, to mention but a few, so that they can actually set aside funds in an accumulative manner and they can actually be able to redeem their funds at different health facilities, irrespective of their sizes. This will enable them to do away with self-diagnosis and be able to actually see the doctor in order to get medical attention. The value that we are extending to the user or to the clinicPesa user, we are looking at extending financial security and ready cash for healthcare. Another thing we are actually extending is flexibility and convenience. We are also extending affordability to the health facilities. We are extending to them convenience in that they do not have to actually take loans as they wait for insurance firms to actually pay up their funds. They can actually withdraw whatever has been collected for them from their daily medical collection accounts. The other thing that we are extending is a credit line to the end user. What I mean by a credit line is to enable the user be able to actually get a smaller extension in form of a soft loan so that they can actually use it to purchase drugs if what they had saved up was just enough to actually get them healthcare attention. The market opportunity that we are looking to explore, this being a solution that is to work in Uganda and Kenya. In Uganda alone, we're looking to explore 19.5 million mobile subscribers. We're also looking to explore 460,000 businesses that are set up in Uganda. That is both informal and formal businesses. We're also looking to explore 7,900 healthcare facilities. What channels are we actually looking to reach out to the end users? Most of our target market is actually people with featured phones. That's why we've opted for channels like the USSD. We've also gone ahead and also catered for the high-end users who have smartphones, and we shall be providing them with Android applications as well as iOS. We're also looking to leverage on social bots on Messenger and the like social media platforms. We are also building a web system such that those in offices and businesses can actually be able to access the web system. Some of the key metrics that we actually running the platform on is that only 1% of the Ugandan population has access to health insurance due to it being so expensive, others being so biased. So who is there actually to take care of the 99%? These people need to prepare for their health care. That's where clinicPesa comes in. The key partners who are actually pushing this platform, this is an initiative that is actually being powered by the East African community together with the German government, also working closely with the Ministry of Health in the different states. Since clinicPesa, one of the problems is actually also tackling is cross-border health protection, and we are inviting and opening up to the telecom players and the bank so that we can actually extend the financial services down to the citizens of these different states. Thank you very much. I'm Munyenche Crispinus once again, and I hope clinicPesa will be the platform that will actually tackle your healthcare financial problems.